Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. I'm so pumped you're here. Today, we're diving into not one, but two powerhouse workouts that are absolutely perfect for girls who want to build strength, improve flexibility, and feel more confident in their bodies: gymnastics and hot yoga. Whether you're just getting into fitness or already moving your body regularly, this combo will push you in all the right ways and leave you feeling strong, energized, and empowered. So, let's get into it. First off, let's talk about why strength is such a big deal, especially for young women. It's not just about getting toned or looking fit. It's about functional strength, lifting yourself up, standing tall with confidence, and protecting your body from injuries. Strength also boosts mental clarity and emotional resilience. When your body feels strong, your mind follows. You feel more capable, more focused, and more ready to take on life's challenges. Let's talk about gymnastics. It's hands down one of the most effective full-body workouts out there. It trains your core, builds upper body strength, sharpens balance and coordination, and teaches body control like nothing else. From handstands and pull-ups to cartwheels and backflips, every movement in gymnastics forces you to engage your entire body and mind. And let's be real, gymnastics is fun. It's playful, challenging, and super empowering. You learn how to lift and control your body, and every new skill feels like a personal win. Plus, no boring reps or machines here, it's always dynamic and exciting. Now let's switch gears and heat things up, literally, with hot yoga. Practicing yoga in a warm room increases flexibility, helps your muscles stretch safely, and builds endurance. But beyond the physical, hot yoga is a major mental workout too. It teaches you to breathe deeply, focus inward, and stay calm under pressure, even when your body is working hard. You're engaging your legs, arms, core, and even those tiny stabilizing muscles, all while sweating it out and releasing stress. It's like strength training, stretching, and meditation rolled into one. So why put gymnastics and hot yoga together? Because they balance each other beautifully. Gymnastics builds explosive strength, speed, and power. Yoga brings calm, flexibility, and recovery. Together, they help you build a body that's not just strong, but adaptable, graceful, and resilient. After a tough gymnastics session, yoga is the perfect way to cool down, stretch out, and reset. And yoga's strength and balance training supports better performance in gymnastics. It's a win-win. You don't need to be flexible or athletic to start, just show up, be curious, and take it one day at a time. Strength comes with consistency. And yeah, some days will be tough, your muscles will burn, you'll sweat a ton, and you might fall more than once. But every stumble is part of your growth. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. If you're ready to build real strength, flexibility, and confidence, gymnastics and hot yoga are a killer combo to try. Drop a comment below, have you done either? Are you more excited to flip, flow, or maybe both? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any of our next videos.